Canada Day, celebrated annually on 1st July, marks a pivotal moment in the nation's history. It is a day of national pride, reflection, and celebration for Canadians across the country and around the world. This holiday commemorates the formation of Canada as a unified dominion. The origins of Canada Day trace back to 1st July 1867. On this date, the British North America Act, now known as the Constitution Act, 1867, came into effect. This landmark legislation united three separate British colonies, the Province of Canada, Nova Scotia, and New Brunswick into a single, self-governing dominion within the British Empire. This act established the Dominion of Canada, laying the groundwork for the country we know today. It was a significant step towards Canada's full independence, though complete sovereignty would evolve over many decades. The initial confederation was a complex political achievement. Initially, the holiday was known as Dominion Day. It was officially established by statute in 1879, though celebrations had occurred informally for years prior. For over a century, Canadians observed Dominion Day with varying degrees of enthusiasm. The name changed to Canada Day on 27 October 1982. This alteration coincided with the patriation of the Canadian Constitution, which brought the country's highest law fully under Canadian control. The new name better reflected Canada's status as a fully independent nation. Canada Day is a vibrant tapestry of celebrations, reflecting the nation's rich diversity. Communities host parades, concerts, and cultural events. Many families gather for barbecues, picnics, and outdoor activities. Fireworks displays light up the night sky in cities and towns from coast to coast. People often wear red and white, the national colors, and wave Canadian flags. It is a day for expressing patriotism and community spirit. While a day of celebration, Canada Day also serves as a moment for reflection. It encourages Canadians to consider the country's past, including its Indigenous history and the ongoing journey towards reconciliation. The holiday acknowledges both achievements and challenges. It is a time to appreciate the values that define Canada: multiculturalism, peace, and a commitment to human rights. Canada Day has evolved to encompass a broader understanding of national identity. It celebrates the mosaic of cultures that contribute to the nation's strength. Canada Day is more than just a public holiday, it is a symbol of national unity and progress. It represents the enduring spirit of a nation built on compromise, diversity, and a shared vision for the future. Every 1st July, Canadians come together to honor their heritage and look forward to what lies ahead.